What if I told you there's a side hustle out there paying me every single day? Would you want in, or does it sound too good to be true? Let me help you. Make sure to watch until the end as we're diving into an exciting topic that could change your financial game. Secret side hustles that pay daily. If you've ever dreamed of earning extra cash without the constraints of a traditional job, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore unique opportunities that allow you to make money on your own terms, often with minimal upfront investment. We'll cover various daily income streams from online gigs to local services that can fit seamlessly into your busy life. Imagine waking up each day knowing that you have the potential to earn money right away. We'll share tips on how to get started, what to look for in a side hustle, and real-life success stories that will inspire you to take action. So, if you're ready to discover a side hustle that not only boosts your income, but also offers flexibility and freedom, stick around. Let's unlock the secrets to daily earnings and enhance your financial situation together. Understanding the concept. A side hustle is essentially a way to earn extra income outside of your primary job. In today's economy, where job security can feel uncertain and living costs continue to rise, having a side hustle has become increasingly relevant. It's not just about making ends meet, it's about creating opportunities for financial growth and personal development. The benefits of having a side hustle are numerous. Firstly, it provides an additional stream of income, which can enhance your financial security and help you save for future goals, pay off debt, or simply enjoy life a little more. Beyond the financial aspect, a side hustle can also foster personal growth. It allows you to explore your passions, develop new skills, and even network with like-minded individuals. When you have the potential to earn daily income, it can significantly change your financial landscape. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you can generate cash flow regularly. This flexibility can empower you to make choices that align with your values and aspirations, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling life. Identifying the right side hustle. Choosing the right side hustle is crucial for both your success and enjoyment. Start by assessing your skills and interests. What are you passionate about? Do you have any hobbies or talents that could be monetized? By aligning your side hustle with your strengths, you're more likely to stay motivated and engaged. Next, consider the importance of market demand. Research what services or products are currently sought after in your area or online. A side hustle that meets a specific need can lead to quicker success and higher earnings. For instance, if you enjoy writing, freelance content creation could be a great fit, especially with the growing demand for online content. Other popular side hustles that can generate daily income include dog walking, tutoring, or even selling handmade crafts on platforms like Etsy. Each of these options not only allows you to leverage your skills, but also offers the potential for immediate earnings. By carefully evaluating your abilities and the market landscape, you can find a side hustle that not only pays well, but also brings you joy and fulfillment. Setting up for success. Starting a side hustle effectively requires careful planning and realistic goal setting. Begin by outlining what you want to achieve with your side hustle. Are you looking to earn a specific amount of money each month, or are you aiming to develop a new skill? Setting clear, achievable goals will help you stay focused and motivated as you embark on this journey. Next, gather the tools and resources you need to kickstart your side hustle. This could include anything from a reliable computer and internet connection to specific software or platforms relevant to your chosen field. Researching and investing in the right tools can streamline your efforts and enhance your productivity. Finally, creating a balanced schedule is essential. Juggling a main job, and a side hustle can be challenging, so it's important to allocate dedicated time for both. Consider setting aside specific hours each week to work on your side hustle, ensuring that it doesn't interfere with your primary job responsibilities. By planning ahead and maintaining a structured approach, you'll set yourself up for success and make the most of your side hustle experience. Maximizing earnings. To truly maximize your earnings from a side hustle, effective marketing and networking are essential. Start by promoting your services through social media, local community boards, or online platforms relevant to your niche. Building a strong network can also lead to referrals, which are invaluable for attracting new clients. Don't hesitate to reach out to friends, family, and professional contacts to spread the word about your side hustle. Continuous improvement is another key strategy for increasing your daily income. Invest time in enhancing your skills through online courses, workshops, or industry-related reading. The better your service quality, the more likely clients will return and recommend you to others. Managing your finances wisely is crucial for long-term growth. Keep track of your earnings and expenses to understand your profit margins. Consider reinvesting a portion of your earnings back into your side hustle, whether it's for better tools, marketing efforts, or skill development. This reinvestment can lead to increased efficiency and higher income potential. By focusing on marketing, skill enhancement, and smart financial management, you can significantly boost your daily earnings and achieve your financial goals. Real-life success stories. Let's take a moment to celebrate some inspiring individuals who have transformed their lives through side hustles. One remarkable story is that of Sarah, a full-time teacher who started a tutoring business on the side. By leveraging her expertise, she not only supplemented her income, but eventually turned her side hustle into a thriving educational consultancy, allowing her to leave her teaching job and pursue her passion full-time. Another example is Mike, who began selling handmade furniture on Etsy while working a corporate job. His unique designs quickly gained popularity, and within a year, he was able to quit his day job and focus solely on his craft. Today, Mike runs a successful online store and has even expanded into custom commissions. These stories highlight the diverse paths to success that side hustles can offer. Whether it's freelance writing, graphic design, or crafting, there's a world of opportunities waiting for you. As you listen to these success stories, remember that you too can carve out your own path. With dedication and creativity, your side hustle could be the key to unlocking a brighter financial future. In conclusion, as we wrap up today's discussion, let's recap the key points about starting and succeeding in a side hustle. We explored the importance of identifying a side hustle that aligns with your skills and interests, as well as the significance of planning and setting realistic goals. We also highlighted strategies for maximizing your earnings through effective marketing, continuous skill improvement, and smart financial management. Now is the time to take action. If you found this information valuable, consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and tips. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who might also be looking to boost their income through side hustles. We have a wealth of related content available on our channel that can further guide you on your journey. From in-depth tutorials to inspiring success stories, there's plenty to explore. Remember, your side hustle could be the key to achieving your financial goals and personal fulfillment. So take that first step today and let's embark on this exciting journey together. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.